Question 1003. A tenant with a lease to reside in an apartment building asks the landlord to repair the washing machines in the building's laundry room. The landlord ignores the tenant's repeated requests. In reaction, the tenant decides to stop paying his monthly rent until the landlord does the repairs. The tenant is A. In the right, B. In the wrong, C. Can bill the landlord for the cost of doing his laundry outside the buidling, D. Both A and C. Correct answer is B. In the wrong. A tenant's duty to pay rent is usually considered independent of the landlord's duties to the tenant. So, even if the landlord fails to honor its lease obligations, such as maintenance duties, the tenant must continue to pay rent under the provisions of the lease.